You won't believe just how incredibly tender and just melt in your mouth delicious my Mississippi pot roast is. Start off by peeling your carrots and your taters and leaving them whole. Go ahead and peel up your onions and slice them thin. Make some beef broth and add everything to your crock pot, including 2 big old scoopfuls of minced garlic along with your peppercini peppers. Lightly season your vegetables with your black pepper and ranch seasoning. Add in your chuck roast and season it as well. Also top it with some French onion soup mix and 2 big old scoopfuls of butter. Place it in the crock pot on low for 8 hours, and oh Lord, this is so good. Did you look in that crock pot? Did you? Now we're just going to start plating all this stuff up, and look at it. It just all slices like butter, including that meat. Now, if you love my recipe, you can find it on my website at www.justlikegranny.com. And just like always, you guys, oh wait, there's gravy. And until next time, bye now. Love y'all.